At Provide Tech, we don't just deliver services. We stay hands-on every step of the way. We take the time to understand our clients' needs, answer their questions, and work closely with them to make sure every request is handled properly. Because for us, great service starts with real communication and genuine support.
Raymark?
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, i-delete ko pala muna to kasi madaling araw sa kanila, ayaw nilang makita yung post ng madaling araw. Gusto nila ng magandang timing.
Opo. Yes pa.
So, i-delete ko muna siya and then ako na lang mamaya maglalagay.
Sige po. Bali po ma'am, ito pong sa pang-IG po natin. Bukas na po natin siya mapapublish po. Or ano po?
Or pwede yung lagyan mo ng ibang ad creative. Ako na lang mag-change later.
Sige po. Bali,
Para
papublish ko na po yung
publish lang.
yung dalawa po, yung Paul Golf Shores po natin na meron na po sa IG. Ayun po yung papublish ko na po, ma'am.
So yung halimbawa, Mexico Beach, kasi kailangan natin ng no? So ngayon, for now, ang gawin natin, Mexico Beach, ano ba yan? Pwede ba natin lagyan ng ad creative tapos i-publish? Mati-change ko pa ba yan mamaya or hindi na?
Pwede po ma'am. Lagyan ko po ng other, ng other creatives po na for IG po. Pang IG po.
Creative for IG. Tapos palitan ko lang mamaya pag nandyan na yung Mexico Beach.
Sige po ma'am. Sige po. Change ko lang po ito pong sa Mexico.
That's the Provide Tech difference: hands-on support, clear communication, and solutions tailored to your business. Ready to grow with a team that's with you every step of the way. Let's build something great together.